Hello and welcome everyone. This is your English countdown. This is the video of Beirut explosion during photoshoot. In this video, the guys make a video while watching himself and does some weird things, and Wallace, who is sitting next to him, does the same. In this video, the guy picks up a small piece of paper and starts folding it until it becomes a spring toy. This little boy cuts a dollar note and divides it into 5 parts and tells the shopkeeper that he has $5.
No.
It does not matter if you don't have any camera. You can put your face on this man's belly and take a picture. This cat sounds like a little baby.
Ready? Yep. 3, 2, 1.
Friends, have you ever seen real Spider-Man? Come on, let's fulfill your wish today. It's called the perfect emergency landing on highway. This animal does not like anyone spraying its plastic bag. This man is walking along the road when a beautiful deer starts following him.
Oh my god.
I don't even know what to think, man. That's crazy.